Overwhelmed by Korean skincare? You're not alone. But here's the good news. You don't need 10 steps to get glowing, glass-like skin. Let's simplify it. Welcome to Glow Rituals. Glow naturally, one step at a time. Korean skincare is all about hydration, prevention, and gentle ingredients. Instead of attacking your skin with harsh treatments, it nurtures your glow naturally. You only need 4 essential steps to get started. 1. Cleanser, choose a low pH gel or foam cleanser. 2. Toner, go for a hydrating alcohol-free formula 3. Moisturizer, lightweight yet nourishing 4. Sunscreen, non-negotiable every morning. Some great beginner-friendly brands: Cosrx, Beauty of Joseon, Isntree, Round Lab, Etude House. Affordable, effective, and skin-friendly. Oily skin? Use gel-based products. Dry skin? Go for thicker creams and hydrating essences. Sensitive? Avoid fragrance and exfoliants for now. Avoid over-exfoliating, using too many actives, or skipping SPF. Start slow and let your skin adjust. Skincare doesn't have to be complicated. Start with these 4 steps, be consistent, and let your glow build naturally. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly kbeauty guides, only on Glow Rituals.